This BAGSMART tote bag is the ultimate lifesaver for all the moms-to-be out there preparing for the big day. If you're packing your hospital bag, you need something that is spacious, super organized, and easy to carry. This maternity bag has a massive capacity, meaning it fits all your hospital essentials, baby clothes, diapers, and extra snacks without bursting at the seams. It is durable, stylish, and specifically designed to keep everything within arm's reach when every second counts. Don't stress about packing your hospital or delivery essentials into multiple small bags. Grab the ultimate BAGSMART hospital bag right now through the official Amazon link provided in the video description below. Make your hospital stay completely stress-free. Pack with absolute confidence and get yours today.